Welcome to QuoteMan. In this video, you will understand how to create group specifications. But first, let's understand what group specifications are. While sending quotations, there are certain items that have a fixed set of specifications but with variable values. Let's take an example of a light as a group. Now lights have fixed technical specifications such as power, size, light color, housing color, etc. and commercial specifications such as service warranty, product warranty and delivery. QuoteMan allows you to create and fix these specifications, so every time you create an item, you need to fill out these details. This creates consistency and helps avoid errors. Now let's understand how to create a group specification. Go to Items tab and simply head over to Item Groups. Next, click on the Create Group button. Simply start by adding the item group name, selecting the suitable group unit. Next, fill in the item group specification name and type, and suitable specification unit. Specification type is the field type that is text or numbers. We have a list of default specification units mentioned here. You can simply create a new one if you can't find a unit that suits your requirements. Once filled, you can also add a secondary unit price. This lets you add rates in secondary units. You can also choose to have a calculation in place which will allow you to auto-calculate the secondary price. Once all the details are filled, click on Submit and your group specifications will be created. That's it. Creating group specifications lets you organize your item data effectively and leaves no room for any missed information. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video on creating sub-items. Visit quoteman.in to manage your items and quotations more efficiently.